has been consistently playing very slow. पहले भी करता था, ऐसी बात नहीं है, मगर पहले क्या था कि एंड में डिलीवर कर रहा था रिजल्ट. अब वो डिलीवर नहीं कर रहा है और आप स्लो खेल रहे हो. कि हमारे दिमाग में कितना है आईपीएल, वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट ऑल द टाइम. हाय गाइस, I'm Ashwin.
Hi guys, I'm Yusuf.
And we are cracking this season's IPL for you by having some candid cricket conversations over a cup of coffee. So thanks for tuning in again for this video. And Yusuf, आखिरकार आ ही गए हम चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स पे. Yeah, because Yusuf and me, we always like to give very unpopular opinions, and we talk about things that are not very popular. Hence, I think अभी तक हमने इसलिए CSK का टॉपिक उठाया नहीं था, but आज we need to talk about CSK because they have become a very unpopular team for the first time in this season. Hence, now they have become a good topic to discuss because this season has been horrible for CSK. And you said a very interesting thing earlier when we were discussing about Chennai, and hence that is the question for today. Is it going to be the first season ever where we don't see CSK in the top 4? It has never happened earlier. So, your opening thoughts on that?
देखो, when we started the season, right, हमने एक बात की थी, जीतना तो चेन्नई ही है. और आज अगर हम unpopular opinion की बात करें, तो this is pretty much an unpopular opinion, right? That's one. Two, when we were discussing earlier before we started this thing, कि यार will this be the first time where top 4 में चेन्नई is not?
Top 4 में नहीं आएंगे.
As a Delhi fan, I love it.
As a Delhi fan, even I would love it. Now I'm tired of seeing Chennai in the top 4.
Yeah, no, and on top of that, I think both times we've been knocked out by Chennai.
Yeah, we were knocked out when we almost made it to the
finals.
finals.
Made it to the final. We see Murli Vijay coming to the party.
Yeah.
And there is Murli Vijay by the way this season.
अरे उतने चांस मिल गए, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था उसको कि मिलेंगे. I thought वो कभी करेगा ही नहीं. But I was so surprised कि उसको इतने चांस दे दिए.
Correct. So that being said कि यार ठीक है, मतलब that's why I was asking you. I said, will this be the first time when Chennai will not be there?
Yeah.
And if not, then how will the season pan out? आज seriously आज सुबह में नहाते हुए I was thinking कि यार will this really affect the viewership because of Dhoni's fan following?
Very interesting question. Very interesting point. Very interesting point.
It will be more like India getting knocked out of a World Cup only. That's what I'm saying.
2007.
Yeah. There are a lot of questions, and I really want to hear.
I mean, it's a great point that you made. That can it affect the viewership? Can it affect the following of the tournament? But also I'm very happy कि तुम सुबह नहाते हुए भी इन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचते हो कि हमारे दिमाग में कितना है IPL कि we are thinking about it all the time. But it's good that we obsess over it so much. That's why we decided to make this show and bring this conversation on camera. So yeah, talking about CSK, yes, I truly believe that this could be one of those very, very rare occasions where we don't see CSK in the top 4. However, I never rule Dhoni out. As a captain, I never rule Dhoni out of any tournament because there's a common word thrown around. Dhoni भक्त एक word है by the way. ये सिर्फ भक्त हमारे श्री प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी के लिए नहीं होता यूज, ये धोनी के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. There's a lot of blind fan following of Dhoni in this country, regardless of the bad decisions he makes, and it makes them very often by the way. He makes a lot of bad decisions, but लोग उसको ignore कर देते हैं, discount कर देते हैं. So मैं भक्त नहीं हूँ, मैं वो blind follower नहीं हूँ. I call a spade a spade. However, still something in my bones tell me that Dhoni is the kind of person who can turn things around when push comes to shove. And more than that, I trust Fleming also a lot. So I really like Fleming's brain. There's a reason why he's been so successful in the IPL. So I could see some things turning around, but Dhoni has to come to the party. So I think what is really lacking right now in the team is, initially when they started, I thought bowling में बहुत problems हैं. सही bowling उनको line up मिल नहीं पा रहा है because they were not being able to play Tahir. They should ideally be playing Hazelwood because he's looking really good, but Hazelwood का spot नहीं बन पा रहा because overseas spot उनका जा रहा है. But now the bowling is pretty much settled. They are looking like a settled bowling lineup now. What is letting them down is pretty much their batting with people like Jadhav, Dhoni, who form a strong backbone of this middle order, are not performing. So if Dhoni starts going big, and he could. Things could look different. I think.
Yeah. मतलब कल भी परसों Johnny Besto came to the party, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday Hetmeyer came to the party.
Yeah, man.
So-
Good knock. By the way, last night was Delhi's game with Rajasthan and यार मैं माफी चाहता हूँ पहले तो स्टोइनिस से कि भाई मैंने ज्यादा बोल दिया आपके बारे में
ना
नहीं यार नहीं अब तो
भाई,
नहीं नहीं
season
अब
खत्म
हो
हो
गया
गया।
अब हो गया लाइक आई एक्चुअली अपोलोजाइज आई मेड लॉट्स ऑफ
सीजन है मर जाएंगे
I-
रुक जा मान ले मेरी बात jinx मत कर।
but good yeah. I mean I'm glad to see that Sonis has really gone beyond his abilities and really delivered which I was not expecting, especially with the ball. With the ball, bat मुझे लगा ठीक है यार एक दो knocks तो देगा ही for sure, but with the ball my expectations were very low from Stoinis. So he's really proved me wrong and I'm very happy about that. I'm actually very happy for the first time for being proven wrong because Delhi, I hope they win. I want Delhi to win.
Yeah.
And they are looking like a strong contender now to come into the finals. I see a Mumbai-Delhi final for sure, unless maybe KKR clinches it. That's another topic we'll discuss later on KKR के बारे में.
You know, you're right. But and every squad is now finding its settled version, right?
Yeah.
Hyderabad without Bhubaneswar is still. मतलब I was looking at the lineup.
कैप्टन भाई कैप्टन मैंने हमेशा बोला है कि जो कैप्टनसी है वार्नर की ही मुझे एक्चुअली परसों किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा एंड दे सेड हु डू यू थिंक इज द बेस्ट कैप्टन इन आईपीएल एंड यू नो विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग वंस आई इमीडिएटली रिस्पोंडेड सेइंग वार्नर एंड द पर्सन वाज लुकिंग एट मी अच्छा लगा इसने धोनी कैसे नहीं बोला एंड आई सेड नहीं यार वार्नर की कैप्टनसी आई रियली एंजॉय इन द आईपीएल एंड लाइक यू सेड despite having such a weak bowling lineup, no Bhubaneswar also, so inexperienced, all these guys still performing it. It's good to see.
Yeah,
Good to
yeah,
see.
no, and getting that decision and where we discussed also, we nailed it by the way. When Williamson was brought into the squad, and the other day when Williamson ended the way we.
He actually put that last few runs to
Correct.
cross 200.
And-
It was Williamson who actually helped them cross
And this
200.
is again the captaincy comes in there, where he recognized कि अब this Samadna would have worked, wouldn't have worked, didn't work, but the guy can conk the ball.
Yeah, Natarajan such a revelation by the way. Natarajan such a revelation man. Like he's been consistent. He's been consistent.
And then the way he went on against Puran, because Puran was going
Yeah.
crazy, and he immediately went stuck with Rashid and Rashid got him out.
Yeah, and
So that
also
is a decision
captaincy also makes such a huge difference. और मैंने जैसे कोहली की इतनी तारीफ करी हुई है पहले
जीत
because
रहा हो, जीत
अरे
रहा
यार
हो। ना,
मैंने
और धमकियाँ
मैंने-
आ रही हैं तुम्हें।
आ जाए धमकियाँ जिसको देनी है धमकी दे दो with Kohli I say this that you know he can win games but I don't see him as a championship winner. I don't see Kohli as the kind of captain who can win championships. He can win a few games and somebody who I have started really liking now हमने डिस्कस भी कर रहे थे उसमें मैंने वो है श्रेयस अय्यर. Shreyas Iyyar's captaincy man has gone to the next level. He has started making some really good moves. What do you have to say about Shreyas Iyer? He looks like a different person. His body language, his confidence has turned around because he also knows that he's really delivering not only with his captaincy but with the bat as well. So what do you
See,
feel
the
about
moment-
Shreyas? Yeah.
The moment you said right, the best captain in IPL is Warner. Immediately दो सवाल उठे मैंने कहा यार मतलब why not Iyer? And second was I would still not rule out Rohit Sharma, right? Sharma
Okay.
has his
Okay,
moments,
okay,
right? But anyways, but then I thought about it and said no यार मतलब in all fairness Warner has proven himself.
Yeah,
Okay?
yes.
Iyer started amazingly. He picks up that trophy. Yes, we will go back and we'll change this opinion that yeah, Iyer is now the guy, right? But yeah, very inspired changes, right? Yesterday getting Ashwin to
Ashwin
go to
against Butler. Yeah.
or for that matter,
And results भी तो आते हैं यार. See, one thing
Correct.
is कि आप moves कर like a lot of moves Steve Smith has been also making and I really like him as a captain. मैंने पहले भी इसके बारे में बात करी हुई है. But his moves are unfortunately not working. You know,
Yeah.
they are not, the moves are not delivering. So वो भी एक factor होता है.
and see again with Steven Smith, we know what the limitations are there,
What
and we
limitations
discussed
are?
it. We all knew it.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah,
The
all
foreign players
limitations
don't
are,
work. It's not going to happen.
Hmm.
But with Iyer, the way he has used Rabada in Mortier, and मतलब the effectiveness, आप ये देखिए कि he's managed to close down games at the right time. He's not dragging it. Although you did say that is he the next Dhoni, but I would say is he the next Gambhir, because he's managing to close down the games.
Yeah.
He's managed to put the foot, you know,
Yeah.
on the. He's just closing it.
Yeah.
He goes for wickets. He's an aggressive captain.
He is.
He's
he
not.
Is, he is an aggressive captain.
He's not getting bogged down by drop catches. Delhi.
Yeah. So and talking about being bogged down. The person whose captaincy I'm absolutely not liking in this tournament, मैंने पहले भी बात करी हुई है इसके बारे में, which is KL Rahul. KL Rahul की captaincy तो definitely has been a letdown, but at the same time he is looking very bogged down.
Yeah.
I saw his interview post the previous loss that they had, and he was looking like so burdened with this pressure कि मतलब मेरे ऊपर ये क्या आ गया है, क्यों आ गया, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्यों खेल क्यों रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब you know
किसकी याद दिलाई? किसकी राहुल ने किसकी याद दिलाई तुमको जब वो क्यों खेल रहा हूँ?
किसकी याद है? मुझे पता क्या?
राहुल कार्तिक.
Dinesh Karthik, yeah. So I mean, KL Rahul is looking a little all over the place with his body language, his confidence has dipped, and now what that might do is affect his personal performance.
Correct.
And because his body language is lost, his confidence is lost, you might start seeing a massive dip in his performance. Maybe, you know, it could affect.
नहीं अरे आप see one thing I always, and I'm a very old-fashioned person that way. In a post-match interview, the captain's mindset speaks volumes.
दिख जाता है यार, दिख जाता है.
For him to make that statement that strike rate is overrated.
Very interesting statement that KL Rahul is making in a T20 tournament, that strike rate is overrated.
आज 10 साल से ऊपर हो जाएगा धोनी को देखते हो, and it's not like Dhoni has not gotten stuck. He's never made that statement.
Dhoni is Dhoni, yeah, there's a reason Dhoni is Dhoni.
Yeah,
he's a superior captain, yeah, far superior captain.
What stopped Dhoni from making? But the moment Yashasvi Jaiswal must be very happy कि हाँ यार एक बंदा है जो agree करता है कि strike rate is overrated. But the point is that was why? And then on top of that, it's not like he got out to a good ball that same match. He got out playing a sweep shot which got top edge.
Yeah.
Now when you're doing this, it becomes worrisome for an Indian fan.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, IPL will get over, India will come back, World T20 is around the corner. Last thing you need is because of this captaincy stint, KL Rahul loses confidence, and as an Indian fan, I just don't want that.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's a very interesting point actually, that this should not affect his performance for India when the IPL is over. So I hope that does not happen. Because yeah, things are looking very dangerous to me. मुझे एक जो sense मैंने करा seeing him in the post-match interview, he's looking very troubled. So I hope things turn around because Punjab, we've already discussed, you know, Maxwell not delivering has really affected the team's whole balance, and they're still looking all over the place. Itna chop and change, हर match में नई team, नए players. They're not realizing. Very sad that even Kumble hasn't been able to crack it, who I rate very highly as a cricket brain. That itna chop and change will always lead to you not getting the desired results. You have to sometimes back the players. You have to sometimes keep the faith. You know, there have been times when Prithvi has also failed consistently for Delhi, but the way Ricky Ponting has backed Prithvi, surprising, मैं भी नहीं शायद करता. You know, I would have also maybe one day put my foot down and I would have said, let's play Rahane, बहुत हो गया. You know, but sometimes you have to show that faith. Dhoni has done that for us. That's why Dhoni is a champion captain who has lifted the cup so many times because he backs the players. And even with Stoinis, you know, there's a reason why Stoinis is delivering under Ricky Ponting, because he is doing something. I saw this interview of Vijay Dahiya, who is the assistant coach for Delhi, and he specifically mentioned that Ricky has been really talking to Stoinis a lot, and that is what is bringing the best out of him. And we are seeing that because Australia के लिए Stoinis has not been delivering consistently, but with Delhi is looking like a completely different player. So the way the management is approaching the whole game and the way your coach is talking to you and the strategies that he's making, they will show results, and that's why Ricky Ponting is so successful, and that's why Stephen Fleming has been so successful over the years.
And I'll just finish that point right there. And very interestingly, while you were talking, it came to my mind. This Delhi team has started resembling a lot of the great Australian team. आपको मतलब, and this is where Ponting.
Yeah, these are like music to my ears. Yeah. Music to my ears.
नहीं, आप ये देखो, when we started discussing Rahane, right?
Yeah. Man, Rahane बेचारा bench पे यार, मतलब look at your life. See, ये होती है life. You know, कोई मुझे पैंडेमिक के बारे में जब बात करते हैं ना, तो मैं कहता हूँ, तो जिंदगी देखो, अगर तुम्हें एक लेसन देना ना लाइफ में, तो Rahane को देखो. Captain last year of his team, and now he's a substitute. And Prithvi Shaw has replaced him, who is an inexperienced guy compared to Rahane, who has scored like hundreds in the IPL. So ये होती है भाई life. Such is life. Such is life.
Such is life, and that's the difference between. That's the difference between us and a guy like Ricky Ponting.
Yeah.
The reading of the game is just next level, and that is what changed. That is what is the difference between an average squad and a great squad, right? He knew that he had to get the best. And you made this statement a couple of times last segment also, that a good leader is somebody who can get the best out of the worst also.
Yeah,
right?
I always say that.
And that's what Ponting has done, right? Prithvi Shaw and Dhawan are like your Hayden and Gilchrist, although Dhawan hasn't come to the party yet. I'm not drawing exact parallels, I'm just saying that the mindset is very similar.
The mindset is aggressive, very aggressive mindset.
Very aggressive. Then you come then comes one down this guy, Shreyas Iyer, who again is like a very Ponting-esque
And now he's become very aggressive. वो था नहीं, वो confidence है जो reflect कर रहा है game में. वो confidence है जो game में reflect कर रहा है because he was never so aggressive.
एक बार शोएब अख्तर ने कहा था, कहता यार, what was the difference between Imran Khan and any other captain? It's a very interesting anecdote. He said इमरान खान ने इंजमामुल हक को ये यकीन दिला दिया था कि तेरे से अच्छा बैट्समैन ही दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. When Tendulkar was playing, 92 World Cup में उसने उसको बोला यार तू दुनिया का बेस्ट बैट्समैन है. इंजमाम goes and finishes the game against New Zealand. And that is what leadership is all about.
Absolutely, no, I agree.
Up Stoinis को by IPL again and again it's coming to my mind. IPL gave Australia Shane Watson back. I'm not saying they gave him, but they gave him back. IPL gave Australia David Warner back, and now IPL might just give Australia Stoinis back.
That is true.
This is quite a revelation. Walking like a giant that he is. तुमने क्या कहा था? England Australia के time पे big muscles क्या?
Muscle man, the muscle man, the muscle man.
He is striking it like a muscle.
Yeah, no, that's looking good. The thing is looking good, but since we're talking about captaincy, just rounding up quickly, KKR, very disappointing. यार मैंने पहले ही बोला हुआ है कि Brendan McCullum is actually the captain, not Dinesh Karthik. तो अगर आपको यही करना है, so then why not make Morgan the captain? This has been a question floating around even over social media, that why not make Morgan the captain when you can actually see any पता है purist of the game can understand that Karthik is just not fitting that role well, and you can see that he's not really calling the shots and very strange decisions. I know they are still sticking with Narayan. We have given very unpopular opinions about maybe Narayan can be dropped, somebody else can be tried, but I am not liking this approach कि अब मैं उसको 4 नंबर पे भेज दूँ, फिर मैं कल उसको 3 नंबर पे भेज दूँ. यार ऐसे नहीं होता है. I think you are not doing justice to the talent that you have in the middle order if you don't have the faith in Morgan कि he can come in at number 4 and take the game away. Then I'm really sorry, that is very poor management. In my opinion, it could be an unpopular opinion according to KKR, but in my opinion, you cannot not show faith in a talent like Morgan. He has to come at 4. Russell has to come at 5. I don't care what you do with Narayan. उसको खिलाना नहीं खिलाना, मगर you cannot change this order. Like you have to have Nitish Rana at 3, Morgan at 4, and Russell at 5, and you will consistently win games. They will consistently cross the finish line for you. This gamble with Narayan has to stop. This is nonsense. Absolutely nonsense.
Kiss, you said it. For the love of God, I cannot imagine. Why are you pushing Narayan up the order? Are you really doubting the skills of Morgan?
Exactly. Are you doubting Morgan? मतलब you have to be out of your mind to be doubting Morgan. He can't do it.
मतलब या तो कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है तुझे टॉप 5 में खिलाएंगे तो हमें बॉलिंग करके. I loved Karthik's comment, by the way, when he said after the game that we have to back. The least we can do is we can back a player like Narayan. बट यार ये तो कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता कि पहले बैटिंग भी तुम करोगे, बॉलिंग भी तुम करोगे. यार त्रिपाठी, तुमने पूरे 6 गेम तुमने उस बंदे को बाहर बिठाया है. You send him up, he delivers.
Yeah.
Are you saying Tripathi can deliver but Morgan will not deliver? Or Russell? Because when you promote Morgan over Russell, Russell looks lost. When you promote Russell over Morgan, Morgan looks lost.
नहीं, this batting order is, मैंने पहले भी बोला हुआ है, by the way, in my previous videos I have already spoken about this. The top order still looks very unsettled and they need to sort it out. They're still not sorting it out. Very poor management, I must say. Morgan needs to be made the captain of the squad and the order needs to become more settled if they want a settled squad and if they don't want to be all over the place. Anyway, so that's my take on it. Could be unpopular, but that's my take. And yeah, we should, I think, now wrap up this conversation on Chennai because that was our question today. What do you think, Yusuf, that Chennai can do to turn things around for them going forward? Because I'm sure these guys, Fleming, Dhoni, they're sitting and they're trying to crack this. What do you think they can do now?
देखो यार, I have always been a believer that players like Jadhav can win you matches but not championships. And I've had this discussion over and over with you again. And what Chennai is today seeing is that a guy like Jadhav cannot win the matches. Unfortunately, the reality is no matter what Chennai does, they cannot leave Jadhav out. They have to play Jadhav. They don't have a replacement.
Yeah, we've already spoken that the bench strength is very weak.
bench
We've already
strength is
spoken
weak.
about that.
And now they have to pray that the games finish between Raidu, Watson and Faf.
Yeah, if the top three may say like they don't deliver, the game is
Exactly.
gone. The game is gone.
I am not worried about Dhoni coming to the party because
Yeah, actually that's a lot of people don't realize it, but Dhoni alone is not really responsible for CSK winning.
अभी
It's the top order. It's the
एक
top
game
order.
था, and I think there is something about Dhoni and the last over that love affair is actually the best love affair that we have seen in current more contemporary cricket. एक game था Dhoni batted till the end 3 छक्के मारे. ठीक है शारजाह
But it's too late though.
But it's too late because
It's too late. And that's what I say. Like that's what the whole topic of the Bhakts I spoke about earlier. You have to call a spade at times, and Dhoni unfortunately is not making the right calls. Currently, he has been consistently playing very slow. पहले भी करता था, ऐसी बात नहीं है, मगर पहले क्या था कि एंड में डिलीवर कर रहा था रिजल्ट. अब वो डिलीवर नहीं कर रहा है और आप स्लो खेल रहे हो. If your strike rate is required is over 13-14 and you're still going at a rate of 90 in your batting because now he's playing less than a run a ball in every game he's taking about 12 to 14 deliveries in each game to actually get going. It's not going to work, man. It's not going to work now.
Ashwin, other than Tewatia, right? And maybe that Morgan and Tripathi game where again they did not manage to win. KKR did not win that game. When the required rate goes above 14, how many teams can win the game from that point? Why is it reaching that 13-14? That is reaching that 13-14. People are focusing on Dhoni, but in reality, go back, check the numbers. Jadhav is getting stuck and getting out.
Jadhav is
And
getting
that's
stuck.
a very crucial place.
Yeah,
And this is what he did with India. This is where India went on to lose games.
I
I'm
never,
sorry,
yeah, I never liked
unpopular
Jadhav.
opinion.
नहीं, I तो never liked Jadhav to be honest.
You don't want to know my bizarre theories why I feel Jadhav has made it to the Indian squad. We have discussed this. Let's not put it on camera.
Yeah.
But frankly, I do not personally subscribe to the fact that a guy, similarly, and I'm sorry I'm deviating just a little bit, Manish Pandey, Hyderabad, same story.
Yeah, we've discussed about Manish Pandey as well that I never rated him so highly. I don't know how he ended up playing for India. I always rated Surya Kumar higher than him.
Surya Kumar, yeah.
And Jadhav, I know why he made it to the Indian team because he would bowl. He would give you those overs, but again, I feel you have to sometimes take that very important call. Ki, he's a batsman in the middle order and he has to deliver. So he could be bowling, he could be getting your wickets, but sorry, if he's not delivering with the bat, which is his primary role, he cannot stay in the squad. That's my take. But talking about Chennai, Dhoni, if he's able to pull his socks up, could turn things around. Otherwise, I'm seeing definitely a year wherein Chennai might not be there in the top four, and a lot of people might not like that. So it's going to be an unpopular IPL, not just our opinions, but it's going to be an unpopular IPL for a lot of people. So yeah, man, let's see how it goes.
Yeah, and honestly, as a Delhi fan, I would love to see Delhi beat Chennai and go to the final.
Yeah, man.
And that's something because we've been beaten like a couple of times, and that has really hurt. With all due respect and love for Dhoni, but again, going back, it's going to be very tough from here.
It is going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Let's see. But we will continue to crack this IPL for you. So please continue watching our videos and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.